teaching you guys how to make DIY fluffy slime. And again, sorry if you hear people in the background or the wind. I am outside right now. And yeah, but without any further ado, let's just go right ahead and get started. You'll all be needing, so you will need some glue, and I am using Elmer's glue. And then you will need some contact solution, and make sure it has boric acid right there. See, I don't know if you can see that. Right there we go. And then you want some shaving foam, and personally I like this shaving foam the best because from other experiences with shaving foam, it didn't make my slime as stretchy. And then you can use paint or food coloring, and that's just optional, but I'm going to be using some purple paint, a mixing tool, in which I'm going to be using a popsicle stick and a bowl. Okay, so what you're first going to want to start to do is take your Elmer's glue or whatever glue you're using. You want to make sure it's washable, and then just dump it right into your bowl. Okay, so now you want to take your shaving foam and just scoop it nicely into there. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is mix it up until it is well mixed and you have it all mixed in. Okay, so now if you're going to be adding color, then this is just the perfect time to add that, and then mix it up until you don't see like any of the white. So now once it is about like that, then you want to take your contact solution and just squirt some in there, and then mix it up, and this is what's going to be activating your slime and make it become, you know, slime. Once you are done doing all that, sorry, my hands are kind of messy, you should have something that looks somewhat like this. And it is just this perfect, fluffy, stretchy slime. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that big red subscribe button down below to see more videos. And turn on post notifications so you do not miss an arrival. And yeah, we'll see you in our next video. Love you guys so much. Bye. Peace.